the stunning actress Padma Shri Madhuri Dixit. 6 Filmfare Awards, 14 record-breaking nominations, and here she is in the Nammal Malayalikale Kaanan Vendi Malayalikal organized the Asia Vision and the E-Television Awards. Icon of India, give her the applause she deserves. Where is it? I request Shri Harish to please hand over the trophy to Madhuri ji. And come on, I request Mr. James to kindly hand over the certificate. I also request Mr. Shaukat Ali Chakarat to please hand over the special award that's right there. You know, from Mohini to Chandramukhi, her Radai, her Muskurahat, it's all stolen our hearts. And today she's here to receive the Icon of India Award. Madhuri ji, congratulations on your wonderful award. I hope you've enjoyed it so far. We'd love to hear from you. നന്നായി കഴിഞ്ഞു അവർ കൊള്ളാം എല്ലാവരും അത് ചെയ്തോ come on. Yeah, let's hear it together for Madhuri ji. Ho 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 ho.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, Dubai. Thank you so much for honoring me. I would like to thank Asia Vision TV Awards for honoring me like this. Before I say anything, I'd like to say a big thank you to Shabnam, the beautiful actress who just performed my songs. So spirited, so wonderful, such beautiful expressions. Thank you so much, Shabnam, from the bottom of my heart. You know, it's an honor to be here today for these TV award functions because even I am a part of television and I know how hard everybody works every day. They put so many hours, sweat and tears and blood into it, where their creativity is challenged every day and they have to come up with something exciting. So congratulations to all the nominees and all the winners. Congratulations. I think all the awards were very well deserved. I'd like to thank the panel on the stage for honoring me. You know, this award is very special for me for a lot of reasons. Because even where the Malayalam film industry is concerned, I have very, very high regards for them. Yes. Because I feel that they have always been trailblazers where their creativity is concerned, whether it's getting new scripts, new characterizations, new storylines. They always push the envelope with their creativity. So thank you very much for inspiring me when I see all the lovely performances. And thank you all for all the love that you have showered on me through the ages and through the years. Thank you so much. I wish I could speak in Malayalam to really express, but I cannot. But this girl here has helped me before.
Yes, and I'm going to help you again.
And doesn't she do a lovely job here? So big hand to her. I think you are doing such a brilliant job of keeping everybody engaged. So tell me what I can say to say that I love you all.
നിങ്ങളെ എല്ലാവരെയും കണ്ടതിൽ എനിക്ക് വളരെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്.
Thank you so much for all the love. Thanks.
All right, we've got a couple of things that we'd request you to do because Asia Vision is this amazing group of people here in Dubai who every year do film awards, TV awards, business awards, radio awards. They also have their own magazine, which is the Asia Vision Family Magazine, and we would request you to kindly launch their edition on stage today, if that's okay?
Sure, it'll be my pleasure.
Wonderful. I request Shri Puttur Rahman to please join us on stage. Shri Puttur Rahman will join us on stage. Madhuri ji will release Asia Vision Family Magazine and hand it over to Shri Puttur ji. ഏഷ്യ വിഷൻ ഫാമിലി മാഗസീനിന്റെ ലോഞ്ച് ആണ് ഇവിടെ വേദിയിൽ നടക്കുന്നത്. ഇതിന്റെ ഓഗസ്റ്റ് എഡിഷൻ ആണ്, ഓണക്കാലത്തെ എഡിഷൻ ആണ്. ആൻഡ് വാട്ട് എ മൊമെന്റ്, ശ്രീ പുത്തൂർ റഹ്മാൻ will receive it on behalf. Thank you very much, Shri Putur ji, for receiving it. Just another one. Asia Vision Audio Lab in the release ആണ് ഇവിടെ നടക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. Asia Vision has their own recording studio now, and we would request you to launch that here by just a press of a button. I shall hand over the remote. You just need to point it at the screen. There you go. Asia Vision Audio launched by the ravishing Madhuri Dixit. There we go. Thank you so much. Now, Madhuri, as Malayalis, we have a problem. When we get really beautiful people, we don't like to let go of them really fast, okay? So, I'm going to take the remote back. Yes, in fact. I'm going to give you this mic. Okay, so, I know you love to dance, and I just want to know, you even have your online dancing classes, right?
Yes,
let's educate Dubai people about it.
Yes, I have an e-learning website on the internet called dancewithmadhuri.com, and it is an app, and you can download it as a website. It's on every platform, on phone, on your iPads, on your computer. So this is where we go, and you can learn dancing from me as well as other choreographers who are very, very good in their fields, and any style of dancing under the sun.
So we just have to download the app.
Yes.
Like we've got you in person here, so I have a request from you, Madhuri. Can we dance with Madhuri here? But not we. I've got these few wonderful, beautiful actresses sitting here with us who are like shining stars of industry. They're already giving each other looks, so I'm going to call them. Priyamani, join us on stage.
Priyamani.
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 Mamta Mohandas. Let's welcome Mamta Mohandas. Mamta. Jewel Mary. Let's give it up for Jewel Mary. And the ravishing Shamna Qasim. Shamna Qasim. So, two on this side, two on that side. Okay, what a beautiful picture. Our Malayalam and South Indian actresses, actually pan-Indian actresses, with the one and only Madhuri Dixit Nene. Usually what happens is aanangalkana nammal ee opportunity kodukkaru, പക്ഷേ because women are doing so well in everything, we are just going to keep it to women. Okay, Jewel, come this side, we'll balance it out. I mean, I'm thinking symmetry is very important. So Madhuri ji, we'll play one of your songs. I mean, all of these are wonderful dancers, लेकिन आपके एक step वो copy करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. Which song would you like? I don't know. Do you have Ghagra? Ghagra, Shamnയുടെ last song. കുറച്ച് മുന്നോട്ട്. But in the meantime, കുറച്ചുകൂടെ മുന്നോട്ട്. Okay, this is fine. Ready? Copy. Come on. Dance with Madhuri. Come on.
Hey,
Madhuri ji, we've got a gift for you. I mean, as I said, we have really talented actresses on stage. She's a wonderful, wonderful singer. So your favorite song of Madhuri ji's that you would like to sing 4 lines for her?
There are so many songs. I grew up listening to each and every one of them. Such a big fan. I'm such a huge fan of her smile more than anything else. The song that I have sung the song on stage when I was a child, when I was growing up. Sajan, I was a huge fan of Sajan. And the song is बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम कसम चाहे ले लो कसम चाहे ले लो खुदा की कसम बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम।
Thank you! Priya, your favorite song. If you want to sing, you can sing.
I'm not going to sing.
Mamta's here, no? We'll give her the...
Yeah, I'll tell the song and Mamta
She will sing. Beautiful.
All of us can dance.
Punishing her. Okay, come on. She's the only singer we
Yeah,
have.
I'm a big fan of Madhuri ma'am. I think when I joined the industry, I have seen a lot of her films. I'm shamelessly I'll be very shameless. I'll tell that I tried to copy her expressions also, but I was no match for her. I don't think anybody can be a match for Madhuri ma'am because she is the best. When she just comes on screen, I think the whole screen just lights up. And there are so many songs, right, from Ek Do Teen and Ke Sara Sara, when she danced with the legend Prabhudeva Master and Aja Nachle. So it's just an honor to even stand here on stage and share this stage with you, ma'am. It's just we're all great fans of you and we would like to see you more on screen, a lot more, and keep entertaining us a lot more.
Shamna, എന്തെങ്കിലും പറയാനുള്ള ആഗ്രഹമുണ്ടെന്ന് എനിക്കറിയാം. Shamna, no, she's not going to dance. She's going to just say what she wants to you.
Today, my days happened. My whole life, I was just waiting to dance in front of my role model, ma'am. And thanks to Shani, Nizar sir, Deepa Chechi, everyone. And ma'am, you're my life. I'm actually stepping every stage thinking you. So today's my everything has happened thanks to Dubai. Ellarkum oruvaadu nanni. Thank you.
And I know this, Madhuri ji, I know this because when she heard that you're coming, she was like, Ushu, Madhuri ji, I have to do my best. Priya wants to say something.
No, ma'am, I have something to say. Just now, after she finished her performance and when you mentioned her name, she went... So, we could see backstage she almost fainted when Madhuri ma'am announced her name.
And Jewel is a shining star in the Kerala crown as well. So Madhuri ji is here. Go for it.
Absolutely speechless. Because we feel God here, because we are standing with a very beautiful angel, the true diva of our times. I have no words. ഇത്രയും സന്തോഷം നമ്മൾ മലയാളികൾക്ക് ഇനി കിട്ടാനുണ്ടോ ദുബായ്? ഇതിന് കൂടുതൽ സന്തോഷം കിട്ടാനുണ്ടോ? എൻ്റെ ലൈഫിൽ എനിക്കിനി കിട്ടാനില്ല. എല്ലാം സന്തോഷമായി. Thank you Ranjini for calling us here. Thank you Madhuri ji for coming and and no words.
Madhuri ji, before you go, that's it. Enough of... No, but I'm thinking you're here, we're all here. You also sing, no? Last 4 lines and I swear I'll send you. No problem.
Okay, I'll sing a song a little bit from my film Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, which is a very beautiful song, danced in a lot of weddings. माई नी माई मुंडेर पे तेरी बोल रहा है धागा माई नी माई मुंडेर पे तेरी बोल रहा है धागा जोगन हो गई तेरी दुलारी मन जोगी संग लागा जोगन हो गई तेरी दुलारी मन दुबई संग लागा
Madhuri Dixit in the Let's give her a Divas round of applause, everybody. Thank you so much, and I request our beautiful girls to please accompany Madhuri ji off the wonderful stage. Thank you very much.